Comfort access is a feature that allows you to unlock and lock the vehicle without having to physically press buttons on the key fob. It's standard on some BMW models and optional on all others. To demonstrate how it works, we'll be using a 3 Series sedan. With comfort access, to lock or unlock the car, you simply need to have the key fob on your person, whether in a pocket, briefcase, or purse. The vehicle will automatically detect the key fob when it's within range or inside the passenger cabin. To unlock a front door, simply grasp either door handle. This action corresponds to pressing the unlock button on the remote key fob. To lock a door, press this area on the door handle with your finger for about 1 second. This action corresponds to pressing the lock button on the remote key fob. If you press this area on the door handle and hold it down, the doors will lock and any open windows and the moonroof will close. With the key anywhere on your person, whether in a pocket, briefcase, or purse, approach the trunk and press this button on the exterior of the trunk lid. It will recognize the key and open.